guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a recipe on Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay Biscuit type of seafood bake. This is kind of like a casserole, just so you kind of like throw some shrimp and some cheddar biscuits on top, a little bit of heavy cream, cheddar cheese, and let's go ahead and get started. So what I went ahead and did first is I cooked about, I think it was 2 cups of, I have our heavy cream right here, and I'll have all of our ingredients at the bottom in the description box, simply because it's hard for me to read off back and forth on the screen. But I have our heavy cream right here. We're gonna take some garlic powder and also some Old Bay. We're also gonna take some cheddar cheese for the biscuits. And here's the mix. You can find this pretty much anywhere, Walmart, Target, wherever. And then we have about half a cup of water for the biscuits as well. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is take our shrimp. We're gonna take our shrimp and we are going to go ahead and take our heavy cream and put it within the shrimp. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Old Bay. Not too much at all. We're gonna go a little bit heavier with the garlic powder. All right, that's good for the garlic powder. And do is just mix it up. So as you can tell over here, I just went ahead and took that mixture and put it at the bottom. Okay, so over here we have our Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix that is from Red Lobster, and they sell it at Walmart, Target, wherever. We're gonna take our water and just put it in here. Now it's really important to look at the specific measurements for the water, because the water on the box is different than the water that you will find simply in the recipe. So that is something to look at. All right, so we'll just mix this together. All right, guys, so right here, basically all I did was just take the mixture and kind of put it in clumps all over the heavy cream and the shrimp mixture. It was pretty easy to do. It didn't necessarily always fill in all the gaps, but it still worked. And here's some asparagus for a side dish, a little bit of garlic butter. There's the mix. And that is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.